The ancient Hindu texts, known as the Puranas, document a cosmology where space and time operate on an almost incomprehensible scale. Before stars or planets formed, these texts describe a vast, silent cosmic ocean. This was a completely tranquil expanse of unmanifested energy, holding infinite potential. From this silent void, two foundational forces emerge. First is Brahma, the creator, tasked with bringing forth life. The second is Vishnu, the preserver, tasked with maintaining cosmic harmony. As equal counterweights, they perfectly complement each other. But a system with exactly two equal powers holds a structural vulnerability. If a conflict arises between creation and preservation, there is no higher authority to cast a deciding vote. This structural vulnerability soon cracks. A massive dispute erupts between Brahma and Vishnu over a single dangerous question: who is the absolute supreme force of the universe? The stakes of this argument are total. If the creator and the preserver abandon their duties to fight one another, the universe enters a state of chaotic stasis. Nothing new is built, and nothing existing is maintained. The debate quickly escalates, words fail, and the conflict pushes the cosmos toward the brink of a devastating war. A universe governed by a strict binary power system contains a fatal flaw. A deadlock of this magnitude cannot be broken from within. It requires an external, superior metric to resolve. That metric arrives without warning. The argument is violently interrupted by an anomaly known as the Agni Linga. It is a colossal pillar of fire with impossible physical properties. It radiates blinding light, yet it possesses no visible beginning and no visible end. Faced with this physical impossibility, Brahma and Vishnu pause their hostility. They agree on an empirical test to settle their dispute once for all. The first to locate the end of this pillar will be crowned the true supreme being. This pillar represents the ultimate crisis for the gods. By existing without boundaries, it defies the physical laws of the very universe they supposedly master and manage. Brahma takes the first approach. He transforms into a majestic swan, catching the updrafts to fly endlessly upward toward the pillar's peak. Vishnu counters by transforming into the divine boar, Varaha. He plunges downward, digging relentlessly into the abstract depths of space to find the base. This timeline contrasts a human lifespan against their search. They travel 1,000 divine years, hundreds of millions of human years. Scaling out infinitely, their progress stalls at a tiny fraction. After a millennium, both gods are exhausted. Neither found a beginning or end. True infinity cannot be traversed, and it cannot be measured. By attempting to map the immeasurable, the gods proved that their powers of creation and preservation, while vast, are functionally finite. Humbled by the sheer scale of the anomaly, Brahma and Vishnu abandon their egos. They reunite at their starting point and surrender to the phenomenon. The silence of the void is replaced by a cosmic acoustic shift. The primordial syllable Om begins to resonate directly from the flames. A moment of wonder. The curtain of infinite fire splits open, and a majestic figure emerges. This is Shiva. Shiva does not step out as a third competitor entering a fight. He is the personification of the unmanifest, infinite absolute, the boundless canvas from which creation and preservation are born. In the immediate aftermath, Shiva enlightens the humbled gods, teaching them the sacred Gayatri mantra to restore order to the cosmos. Today, that fiery pillar is remembered in Hindu worship through the linga, a physical stone monument representing that exact, boundless, unmanifested energy. To ensure the universe functions without another deadlock, Shiva assigns distinct, harmonious roles. Brahma will create, Vishnu will preserve, and Shiva will transform. This establishes the three-part cosmic management system known as the Trimurti. Supreme power in the cosmos is not about holding dominion over the daily tasks of building or maintaining the universe. True supremacy belongs to the infinite reality that outlasts all beginnings and all endings.